Hello friends, today's animal spotlight is on the frog. In Igbo, a frog can be called Mbala, Mbara, or Akírí, all correct. Let's learn some fun facts about this bouncy creature. Frogs have smooth, wet skin. They are known for long jumps, strong legs, and sticky tongues for catching insects. They also have big eyes that help them see in almost all directions. Frogs are true water lovers. You find them in ponds, rivers, streams, and wetlands. Mbara bụ Anụmanụ nke Mmiri, a creature of the water world. Frogs don't just croak, they sing. Some frogs can puff up their throats like balloons. And guess what? Frogs start their lives as tadpoles, swimming like fish before they grow legs. In Igbo, we say Mbara, Mbala, maọbụ Akírí na-apụta mgbe mmiri zochara. It loves the cool, wet ground. That's it on today's spotlight on Mbara, Mbala, maọbụ Akírí, the frog. Let's keep learning Igbo, one animal at a time. Do help us with your likes, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, Bye.